Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to change your bio on the Telegram app for PC after the new update. If you've been wanting to refresh your profile or add a little personal touch, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once it's launched, head to the top left corner of the screen where you'll see three horizontal lines. This is the main menu button, and you'll need to click on it to move forward. After clicking, a side menu will appear with several options. From here, look for My Profile and select it. This will take you directly to your personal profile page, where you can see your current details such as your name, phone number, profile photo, and bio. Now, to make changes, find the small edit icon. It usually looks like a pencil or pen symbol. Click on this icon, and you'll see different fields you can edit. One of those sections is your bio. Go ahead and click on Bio. At this point, you can write whatever you'd like to display as your personal description. Some people use this space to introduce themselves, share what they do, or even add a favorite quote. Keep in mind that the bio is visible to others when they view your profile, so make sure it reflects what you'd like to share. When you've finished typing your new bio, simply hit the Save button. Your profile will instantly update, and your new bio will now be visible. It's that quick and easy. Changing your bio on Telegram is a small step, but it can make your profile feel more personal and up-to-date. Whether you're using Telegram for casual chats, professional networking, or community groups, keeping your profile fresh helps others connect with you better. So that's it. You've successfully learned how to change your bio on the Telegram app for PC with the latest update. Try it out today and give your profile a fresh look.